This white 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 four-wheel drive crew cab is comfortable for a heavy-duty pickup. Interior layout is well thought out and has great off-road capability. The back seats have a lot of room, along with great performance and comfort. It's fully loaded with power windows, power driver's seat, tinted glass, airbags, front bucket seats, remote start, power door locks, a 10,000-pound towing capacity, automatic climate control, deluxe wide load mirrors, trailer brake controller, stability control, cruise control, heated and cooled front seats, 18-inch polished aluminum wheels, fog lamps, XM radio, OnStar, Bluetooth for your smartphone, Bose premium speaker system, CD player with USB port, chrome rear step bumper, HD trailering equipment, along with its 6.6-liter V8 diesel engine and four-wheel drive powertrain, makes this a right heavy-duty truck for you. We invite you to Scougall Motors and Fort Macleod, where it's tradition you can trust. We are located at 869 12th Street, 90 minutes south of Calgary and 30 minutes west of Lethbridge. Have yourself a great day.